Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Fitbit app not working and you want to be able to fix it? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what I did was that I firstly closed my Fitbit app and instead I went into my settings app. So go into your settings app because then you should be taken to a page similar to this as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down and you're going to click where it says general on here. So click on general. Now scroll down again and click on storage. And as you can see, I have an iPhone, but if you have an Android, don't worry, you can do the exact same thing as well to be able to fix it. Just find on your Android settings, also find storage, and then you're going to be taken to a page similar to this as well. So now we're just going to scroll down and find the Fitbit app in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I'm able to, here it is. So as you can see, so just click on the app. Now click on upload app and once again click on upload app and here as you can see. And then you just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here again. Because as you can see, it says loading now for my app and it's quite fast quite often. So it means that you're now going to get the absolute newest version. This fixed it for me and I hope that it's going to be able to fix it for you as well.